Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My AdSense monetization earnings for April 2021. Here is the stats right here. The views have gone up about 2,000 since March. And now let's go to estimated revenue. Last month or the month before, in March 2021, I earned $902. And in April, $761. So quite a big decrease, even though my views has gone up. Alright, now here's a more detailed look at my revenues. Decreased 16%, RPM about 19% decrease, and playback base CPM 13%. Now let's look at some audience stats. My unique viewers gone up 4%, subscribers went up 6%, and here are the geographic stats. India still the top with 20% total views. Here are some engagement stats. 2% increase in watch time hours and a decrease of 3% for the view durations. Alright, that's all for this video. That's my progress update for April 2021. Nothing too strange besides the decrease in earnings. Thanks so much, and be sure to subscribe for my next month's update video.